Hi and welcome to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. Dan and Steve here to bring you another video on our budget build. Today we're going to try and work on the front end and try and assemble as much as we can. So let's get stuck in. We're going to pack this bearing. Dan's going to make inappropriate sex noises while we get the grease in there. But we're just going to pack it in this way. The idea is to get it all in there as best we can until it starts coming out through the other sides of the tapered bearing.
I think it's been down for a while.
Okay. Usually you can tell by the noise. For everybody at home, what we're doing here is we've got the upper and lower race, and we're basically using this threaded bar to squeeze them together. But it's really important that we have them straight. Otherwise they're going to seat in crookedly and then it's not good, you know, so. So on here we're just making sure that we're getting everything straight and lined up. Dad's hitting it with a few darts there just to kind of straighten it up, and then we get back on and we give it a squeeze. Do you want me to hold the top for you? Nope. It's going.
The nice thing about this size thread is how quickly it moves.
Right, yeah. So the top one's seated now, I guess, eh?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that the...
Just hold on a second, just loosen the tent a little bit. Is that seated? It is, yeah. This one isn't seated. So we'll see here at the top, you can see that this race is seated nicely here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And the bearing will run in here, it'll be perfect. However, down the bottom, although Dan's done a really nice job of getting it in nicely, you can hopefully see in there, there's a gap. So what will happen is once we assemble this and the way the bike goes down, it'll push it into place, but in turn it'll make the steering stem loose. So Dan's going to use a smaller diameter washer and we're going to try and tighten in and try and push it into place. Dan, put it on.
Yeah, that looks about right.
So hopefully you guys can see now. We've got this lip here. We're good to go. Like a glove. Seals down, over. And we don't need to yank on this. What they say is you tighten it and then you take it back a quarter turn to where it's tight. You don't want to crush the bearings. Yeah, and then take it back a quarter turn. Yep.
Feels good.
Yeah. Feels like it should. Ooh, shiny, sir. Shiny. Look at that. shiny and beautiful. We've got a little piece of hardware for in here, but let's put in the forks first, and we won't snug this and we won't tighten this back here until we've got our forks in. It looks like Johnny 5 at the moment. We'll have Dan riding it like this. Wonderful day for a bicycle ride. Maybe we could integrate them so that they're your turn signals. You can just wiggle them. Alright, we have our front end on our bike. It's looking sweet. It went a lot easier than we thought. So nice to see the shocks turn, or the front suspension, the forks turned out excellent. The paint looks great. The new dust seals look fantastic. Maybe you guys are sitting at home going, no they don't, but we like them. They look better than they did. Also the new clip-ons, they're cool. We didn't fill up the forks yet. We're gonna have to do that. We're also gonna have to then balance the air in them. We've got some plans for that. Dan's got some cool ideas on that. But like, it's coming together. We're a little step further, a little step closer.
On to bigger things.
We've got lots of great content coming up for you. I shouldn't say great content. We've got content coming up.
We've got lots of half-tanked content coming at you.
So the half-tanked guinea pigs are going to be back at it. We're going to be finishing off the tank. We're going to be priming that, starting to paint it. We're going to do a rattle can paint job on it. And we're also going to put a 2K seal or a clear coat. Every time I say seal now, I'm expecting that little seal to come into the corner of the screen. We're going to get that tank on there. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the graphics and have decals made for the side of the tank as well. We're going to put them on before we put our 2K clear coat on there as well, so hopefully that'll turn out right. Dan's got a really cool name for the build. We won't show you guys yet what that is. Hashtag
no spoilers. Also keep an eye out, we're going to show you how you can sculpt and upholster your own motorcycle seat.
Just got awkward. Yeah, we're gonna finish the seat, Dan. Yes. We will finish the seat. But there's lots of good stuff. So we're gonna actually get the carbs sorted out. We'll show you a rebuild on those. We're gonna ultrasonically clean them. Also, we've got the rims to do.
We've got the rims to do. We've got the brakes to do.
Oh yeah, the brakes.
There's still the rest of the bike.
Yep. Were you thinking gold accents for the calipers or just black?
Make the calipers gold.
That could be cool. We'll have a think about it. Actually, let us know in the comments. We've done some gold accents. Dan's got the pigtails on the shocks and the rear shocks, which are gold. We've thought about another few little kind of gold accents here and there. Let us know if you think we should paint those calipers. We've got 2 calipers at the front and 1 at the rear. Let us know if you think we should put them gold or if that'll be too much. The bike for the most part will be blacked out, but it might be a nice pop of color for an accent color. Maybe it's too much. Let us know in the comments what you think.
For any new viewers, there is a link in the description to a Google Docs where we have a list of all the fun stuff that we're stapling to the bike. So
not stapling.
that we are pushing together with chewing gum and hopes and dreams. If you want to copy everything that we're doing, it'll show you everything that we've purchased so far and everything that we still intend to purchase, as well as keeping a track of the budget and how much the bike is costing.
And if there's anything that anybody sees on that list that you think we shouldn't get, let us know in the comments, please.
Hate to spend money twice or 3 times.
Or ever. I'm Irish. We could be spending that on booze. We should be doing the movie voiceover guy. Coming this summer to a cinema near you.
On the back of a trailer.
One bike. One man.
Pushing it along.
One ginger Irish guy helping.
Which is fundamentally different than a man. I'm glad that we clarified that.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that bell for any notifications to make sure that you're up to date. Every week we're going to have another video coming out on the budget build for you. It's getting close. We're getting close to being able to finish this up and get it on the road. So thanks for tuning in. Stay safe.